Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to restore the flow and how to clean this central vacuum I guess carpet or floor attachment. So a little bit of a story here. We have owned a central vacuum for about 4 years, and every year it doesn't fail that this thing gets clogged. So what happened is at this angle here, so every vacuum system probably have the same problem. So the debris goes up, being sucked in from here upward this way obviously, and at this 90-degree angle here it usually gets stuck. Why does it get stuck? Well, you have hair, you have all kinds of larger debris that actually makes it that clumps up together, along with all those lint and dirt, etc., that basically closes this tube eventually. So I recommend every 6 months at least. If you can do it every 3 months, great. We do it about every 6 months to a year. This one is way overdue because we have one upstairs, we have one downstairs. This is actually the one that is, I don't know, but it doesn't even suck at all. I mean, I put my hand underneath there. Be careful, by the way, when you put your hand underneath that, the brush is sometimes rotating, or will rotate when you turn it on, and it will I guess bring your hand in, or finger, so be careful with that. Anyhow, I'm going to show you all the different tools that I use to clean this out completely, where it's free of clogs. And then so I'm using a hanger. So this is a regular clothes hanger that you get from the laundromat. I just unbend it, and then I have a hook here on one side, and over here is just straight. Okay, so I have one of those. I'm also using an air compressor with a blower, compressed air blower. I'm also using this is just a broomstick that has been unscrewed from the broom itself, and I'm using this to jam into here to push the debris out. You'll be surprised how effective this is. All right, so I'm going to put the video on fast, what do you call it, fast forward, or fast mode, and while I'm struggling to clean this, and you can see and I will show you what comes out of this. This is pretty nasty. Okay, usually it's not this hard, but for some reason this one is solidly blocked here in the middle, and so I'm just gonna keep fishing it with this, loosening it up somewhere here. It's really blocked in here, so we're just gonna keep ramming it and then fishing things out. So I'm gonna open this up a little bit more, and then we'll try to do that. Okay, you see that? I just got a big clump right here coming out. This is the reason why I couldn't even jam the rod. I mean, that was so hard that I can't even put this in. So you see, just keep on pulling it out. Look at that. I forgot my mask. You should probably be wearing masks when you're doing this. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can fish out some more. Yeah, so this is kind of disturbing because it's completely stuck. Can't even get my hanger out. Look at that, what the hell is that? hairballs. Okay, now I'm gonna see if I can jam this thing through. Okay, so that only went in about that much, which is pretty crazy. So something is still getting stuck in there. I don't know, actually maybe this is too big. Not sure. So let's put this in. No, I'm definitely getting stuck right here in the middle. So there's something stuck in here. So let's use the sharp end here. See if I can loosen that. Yep, going through with the sharp end. So we're just going to loosen it up. Now I'm gonna use the hook. See if we can get it out from this side. Let me pull it out, see if we get anything. Nope. All right, let's blow it again. Alright, so now my rod goes all the way through, and when it goes all the way through, it actually goes all the way down there. I think we clear out everything, so let's make sure. Yeah, I think we have. Okay, I'm gonna spray it from the other way around. Oh, look at that. I got something here. Okay, so, whoa, okay. We still got some more thing coming out. Alright, so I'm gonna put more air through here. Okay, I think we got the vacuum head here completely unclogged. So as you can see, it took all of these tools right here. Air compressor, the hook was really useful. Without the hook, I could not have unclogged all that thing. And then this rod right here to push the debris downwards. Yeah, but the hook is definitely necessary. So as you can see here, this is just, I think, for about 6 months worth of debris for a household of 4 people. Look at all this crap. Yeah, so what causes this clog to really accumulate is the fact that sometimes you would vacuum in something big like this, and then that would block it, and then more and more would attach to that. Look at this, there's a big piece of plastic right there, and then what is this, like some kind of leather strap got also stuck in there. I mean, it was so stuck that I couldn't even ram this thing down the pipe, right? I mean, I couldn't push it down, which is crazy. So my wife was complaining the fact that it's not vacuuming, and yeah, so there you go. That's the reason why it's not sucking in. Anyhow, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you do, I hope that you don't mind giving it a thumbs up. It helps other people from discovering this video. And please subscribe to my channel for more DIY useful videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.